Alexa versus Google Home quick comparison. I'm going to tell you a quick comparison between Alexa and Google Home. Alexa, powered by Amazon, works best with shopping, smart home routines, and a huge range of compatible devices. It's great for controlling lights, speakers, and even placing Amazon orders with your voice. Google Home, powered by Google Assistant, is smarter when it comes to answering questions. It taps straight into Google search, making it better as a general knowledge, directions, and calendar integration, especially if you're deep in the Google ecosystem. Alexa wins on device supports and smart home automation. Google wins on search, context, and natural conversation. So if you want smarter answers, go with Google. If you want broader device control, go with Alexa.